Well, hey YouTube, welcome back, my friends, once again here to Whiskey 3 Charlie Tango, W3CT, your good old friend Jack, and my ham radio journey. So guys, we are out on Hatteras Island. Now, if you don't know where Hatteras Island is, it is in North Carolina and is on the Outer Banks. We rode the motorcycles here, and we rode a lot of bridges, and just an amazing time getting here. We got here at night. A lot of lightning going across the ocean. We just spent today on the beach. And the one thing I wanted to do was to be able to operate from the rental house that we have here. And we are staying in a place called Avon, A-V-O-N, Avon, North Carolina. So let me tell you a little bit more about that and show you the setup. I brought some radio equipment with me, and I thought, you know what? If I could even just activate, or not activate, if I could just hunt some POTA stations from here and maybe have a rag chew or two, it'd be kind of cool. I think it'd be all worth it. There is also a state game land right near us, so I'm also going to try to activate the game land this sometime this week. Let's go ahead. I'm going to take you a walk here and show you the setup and what I have to offer for you guys. I will tell you that, actually, there you go. I will tell you that the setup here is using my fishing pole as a mast. Now, I took this fishing pole with me to Puerto Rico, and I really, I believe in it. Let me hit the wind button on here. Get the mic back connected. Okay. There. So that should knock some of the wind out, because it's really windy here, obviously at the beach. So I'm showing you my antenna setup. It really worked out well. I'm using an end-fed half wave, but check this out. It's all the way up there. So what we're on right now is called the Crow's Nest, okay? And as you can see all around the island, all down along there. If you go that way, you can see the ocean, okay, right over there. So we're about a 5-minute walk from the ocean, so it's not bad. You see somebody down there flying a kite, if you can see that right about there. But yeah, so I put my fishing pole up here, and I put my end-fed half wave on it. It's going down, actually down the steps here, down to that pole, and then I have it strung across the front of those poles, and yeah. So anyway, I didn't know how long the wire would be. It's a 40-meter wire, so it is quite long. But anyway, comes along there, runs down along this post here, right here. I have it running along here, down to here. So I don't even know how this antenna is going to work, guys. And it's going right over to the radio that I brought. I couldn't bring the G90. We didn't have enough room on the motorcycles. Here's the feed point, and here's the QMX, right? This is about the biggest case I can fit on the motorcycle, so I'm using my QMX. I got my CW Morse pocket paddle, and we're going to try to make some contacts and try to find some parks. So let me go get my phone, and we'll see if we can't make some contacts. Okay, guys, let's see if we can find anybody here. So we are on, let's go to 46.5. See what we're doing. Nothing. $46.5 was nothing. 27. 69. 60.9. Nothing. That's all it's on, 20 meters? Wow, that's crazy. Let's try 40. 7.44. There's one. Let's see if we can maybe rustle this guy up here. KE8PZN. Little power-up going on there. I don't know if he's hearing me or not. I don't think so. I don't know. $7,295. Why are people up that high? 7057. I gotta change this too. Nothing. Let's see if I can find anything on 20 meters. Again, remember, 5-watt QRP. I think that'll repeat it. If you hit this, I think it repeats. With no break in between. That's not good. I gotta look at the pause. Trying to find somebody to communicate with. I don't want to make this video too long. It's already too long, but okay, guys, so right now I've been unsuccessful, and I'm sorry about that. But I just wanted to see if I could bring a radio on vacation and actually make some QSOs. So, you know, nothing right now. It's about I think it's about 4:30, 5 o'clock p.m. So I'm going to play around a little bit with the radio here and see. And I would like to be like Walt and go down to the beach, but Walt is a very unique person, guys. If you think about, and I thought about taking this fishing pole down to the beach, setting up, but I don't have a table or anything for my radio. I don't have a bucket or anything special. So I don't know if I could do it or not. I would like to try. I don't have a vertical, so I can't put any radios in the, into the water itself. But we are right on the Atlantic Ocean, so who knows? And now they have the antenna strung up. I may actually come out tomorrow morning and try to work some DX on 20 meters on 5 watts to see what happens. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope it wasn't boring to you. The main part of this video is, do you take your radios on vacation? And if you don't, why not? If you have a QRP rig or, maybe an Icon like a 705 or one of the new Yaesu 1XT, whatever it is, if you have one of those, take it on vacation with you if you have the room. I mean, on the motorcycle, we are limited. I would love to bring the G90. I'd have a lot more chances of making some contacts. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. Like I said, I never know what I'm going to record, but I hope it's always something different and unique anyway. So you've seen the antenna set up, and I'm going to try to work a little bit of radio here until my wife gets ready to go to dinner, and we'll do that. So take care. Until next time, this is Whiskey 3 Charlie Tango, W3CT, your good old friend Jack, out here in Avon, North Carolina, on the Outer Banks, working some CW. Take care, everybody. And remember, if you like this video, click that subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up. I will talk to you next time. 73s, hope to catch you on the airways. Bye for now.